somebody who came to our country of free will. And we're doing them like this.
We love this country.
Shame on us.
It's not even you.
But they didn't tell you that concerts are not allowed.
That.
They should have told you that concerts are not allowed. They didn't tell you, people who told you.
They didn't say what it was.
Concerts here, even musicians are broke. The organizers have led you to a trap which was not necessary. Because here, even all musicians no longer do the concerts. At the airport, what did you tell the revenue? That you are coming to a concert.
An event.
So handicap review is the way forward. We only don't handicap women, but for men we handicap.
No worry. The other guy is coming.
No, they will lose the need, don't mind. They will lose the need a bit. But if you keep on shaking your arm, it tightens. Every time you shake your hand, it tightens. For it to just tighten. So when it is on, please let the hand be extensive. Yeah, but I will also insert. I take all the guys to the station, because we are at the station. Bakulira yo sabuni ekyo kugira sukali silipa bakulira ekyangwa kiyoleete.
I'm begging, can they for real? It is cutting circulation.
Bakulirako bintu nga sukali sabuni silipa mubaleete.
For me, it's my body.
It's your body, but we care.
But what if I wanted to die? Then you have no say. I don't want to eat or drink water. No, I don't know. Unless you're strapping me to a chair, forcing food down my mouth.
No, you will get counselor there, they will talk to you.
I haven't eaten in the past 24 hours, and I'm not eating for the next 48. And I'm not eating until I leave. If I
Do you have some handcuffs? Do you have a key for the handcuffs? Renew. The man is there.
take the point.
I can't even
You get tired of your camera.
only son and heir in the house. So they want
Kapai.
Since my parents are still innocent